Welcome to Voyent Alert, your community's informational and emergency alerting service. In this video, we'll review how you can register for Voyent Alert to help you stay alert and stay connected. To register to receive alerts by text message or email, visit our website register.voyent-alert.com and select the method of communication you would like to use. Alternatively, you can download the Voyent Alert app on the Google Play or App Store by searching Voyent Alert. To start the registration process, enter an address or press Use My Location. We recommend using an address that's important to you, like your home or your office, as this will allow us to send you the most relevant alerts. However, you can use any address in your community that you would like. Once you've confirmed that the location is correct, press Next. This page will list all of the alert providers sending notifications in your area. You will automatically be subscribed to all alert providers. However, you can choose to opt out by pressing the blue toggle which says Subscribe to this alert provider. Once you've confirmed which communities you'd like to receive notifications from, press Next. If you're registering online, you're now going to choose how you would like to receive your notifications, by text or email. Select your method of contact and then enter in your contact information. Then, agree to our terms and conditions and consent to receive notifications from Voyent Alert. Once you've confirmed that your contact information is correct, we'll send a 4-digit verification code to the email or phone number you provided. This code is a security feature meant to ensure that it is in fact you who is registering your contact information. If you choose to use email, we recommend opening your email in a new tab or browser window so it's easy to return to the registration screen. Once you've entered in your 4-digit verification code, your registration will be complete. You can now receive informational and emergency notifications from your communities. Thank you for registering for Voyent Alert.